Hey everybody, welcome to the kitchen. How about some taco soup? We're going to make a super easy recipe today. I have my electric skillet preheated. Putting my ground beef in here. This is fresh from the homestead, super lean ground beef. While that is going to be cooking, I'm going to work on washing my peppers and dicing the onions. Now we're going to add our pepper and onion to our ground beef. We're draining some white red kidney beans to go in our taco salad. And we're also rinsing them. And we're going to open and dump 3 cans of diced tomato. There is the seasonings that are going in this taco soup. I have ground cumin, smoked ground paprika, chili powder, salt, ground pepper, red pepper flakes, oregano, and a powdered beef bouillon base. So I'm going to add this in with our beans and tomatoes. Guys, this smells so good. Okay. I'm also going to add some garlic. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the pre-minced garlic that you buy at the grocery. And 4 cups of water. We're going to bring all this up to a boil, and then once it comes to a boil, we're going to add our ground beef, onions, and peppers. Okay. My soup mixture's come up to a boil. I'm putting my ground beef, onions, and peppers in there. We're just going to let that simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes for all the flavors to blend. And then we have got a perfect, easy taco soup. You can add corn if you like. My family doesn't really like corn in taco soup, so I left it out. I mean, a recipe's a guideline. Make it yours. This has been simmering for about 20 minutes. And all the excess juice has simmered away. There we go. A fantastic taco soup. Hope you guys like it. See you on the next video.